How's it going, everyone? I'm your host David and welcome back to the Stamps Bros channel. Today we have a 2007 Audi S4 in, jackal tuned I may add, and it's in for our baller ceramic coating package and our baller PPF package. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what gets done in our shop when you guys book our baller PPF and our baller ceramic coating packages. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Okay, so after inspecting your vehicle, the first thing that we do is wash it, especially because we wrap all our edges here at Stamps Bros is underneath the lip of the hood. So, and also we just cleaned the engine bay. So I'm laying down a towel just in case anything sprays down onto it. And if it does, I mean, I'll just re-wipe it, but I'm limiting that as much as possible. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna spray some alcohol or cleaning solution underneath the hood there. And like I said, we wrap all our edges, so we want to make sure around the lip is as clean as possible so no dirt is there when we wrap it, and thus making the PPF lift. So I'm going to show you guys right here and then I'll do the rest off camera. As you guys can see, there is a ton of dirt under there. Okay, so now that we're done cleaning the underneath of the hood here, we're going to go ahead and wash the rest of the outside of the car, just making sure there's no contaminants, especially where we're laying down the PPF, because then that's going to be locked under there for the next 10 plus years or however long you have the PPF. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the wash process. So we try as much as we possibly can to do everything touchlessly. First step, pre-wash. So the soap that's sitting on the car right now is called Purifica. It's from Labo Cosmetica, and I'll leave the link down in the description. But the really cool thing about this soap is it allows us to do pretty much everything touchlessly. And with lightly contaminated vehicles like this 2007 Audi S4 here, it will take the place of a clay bar and iron decontamination. So if we don't touch the car as much, it limits the contact and limits the scratches, marring, and dulling of the paint. So this being from 2007, it is quite heavily contaminated, and even though it doesn't look like it, you can definitely feel it. And if you go ahead and run your hand across your paint and it feels like sandpaper even though it's clean, that means you need to clay it. So we need to clay the car. We're gonna use our iron decontamination as clay lube. And this is just a slightly bigger clay. It's a clay mitt instead of a clay bar, slightly bigger. Gets the job done a lot faster. We'll go, just drag it over your paint. And this is gonna safely remove any contaminants that's embedded in your paint. The iron decontamination that I'm using is from Bloomco. Go ahead and check them out. I'll leave them in the description as well. And I know you guys can't feel it on the cameras, but if you go like this, it's gonna feel a lot smoother. You might be able to actually hear the difference. I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and get the other side now too. Okay, so we're gonna be installing a bit of the hood on camera. So the way that we do the hood is, yes, everything on the vehicle has a template and it's in our software and we can cut it. Yet hoods are much easier to do with bulk. So what we do is we measure the length and the width of the hood and we cut that in PPF. And this is a square piece of PPF and we're gonna lay it on and then cut it out to the shape of the hood while wrapping all the edges afterwards. Come, grab it, slip it up. Remember, stretch it as fast as much as you can. Stretch. Let's go. Good. All right, grab your slip. Okay, so Amelia is now working on the car. All she's doing is squeegeeing all that solution that you guys seen us spray on the car before we lay down the PPF. And essentially what that was is a soapy water. You see on the back of PPF, there is a kind of like a glue and it will not stick to soapy water. What it does stick to is alcohol, or I guess the smarter way of saying it is the alcohol activates the adhesive. So over here, we sprayed alcohol and that will get the PPF to stick to the car. But since it's all down and all lined up now, all we need to do is do exactly what Amelia is doing, and that's squeegee that solution out. And once we do that, the PPF is down and stuck to the car. Okay, so now that the film is on the hood, we need to cut the excess film off. So all this stuff back here, and we're gonna try and shape it to the car. I'm gonna leave probably about an inch from the hood, so that way we can wrap an inch around. So that way it limits all the peeling. We use a very sharp blade, and then we break it every single time that we cut. And we just kind of put it in, pull as tight as possible, and cut. Now I'm gonna try not to hit his wiper blades, obviously. Well, I'm not gonna hit them. Then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Stop. And yes, everybody watching, I see the bubbles. We'll take care of those right after. Stop it. Okay, so now that we've cut it to the desired length, which is about an inch, maybe 2 inches all the way around, I'm gonna take this is called Pro Bond, and it's surface prep. So think of it like super glue, but for the PPF. It's not actually glue, we're not gluing it down to your car, but just think of it that way because that's the best way I can explain it. We're just gonna put a little bit onto a towel, and then we rub it on the edge, and then when we fold over the PPF, or wrap the edges as everyone says, it's highly sticky. That's basically what it is. So we put it on the edge so that when we go ahead and fold it all over, it sticks and never peels. Okay, so now that all the edges are wrapped around, we have the hood closed. I'll come up really close. You might see some water droplets, but everything's wrapped all the way around. We did the full hood. What Amelia is doing right now is she's going around looking for any kind of like moisture underneath the film, and we call them bubbles. You're gonna get 1, 2, maybe even 3 of them no matter what, because when we're squeegeeing everything out from underneath the film, sometimes some of that moisture gets caught underneath the film. So we go by with a needle, pop the really big ones, and any of the little ones that are left, there might be 1 or 2 when you come pick up your car, we leave. And we tell you if they're not gone within 2 weeks, bring it back and we'll take care of them right away. The reason that we leave them is because we're sticking a needle in between the film and the paint. And for something that's gonna go away on its own, that we know is gonna go away on its own, why risk your paint? So that's what we're doing. We're doing the final check and popping any of the big bubbles. So that's exactly what happens when your car comes into Stance Bros. We wash it, we prep it, we lay the PPF on, and we make sure everything's wrapped around the edges. Now, if you're someone that's in the market for PPF, paint protection film, here's a few reasons of why you should get it. Increased resale value. So if you're buying a 2026 model or a brand new vehicle, depending on when you're watching this video, it's always a great idea to get it, especially if you're in Calgary, because of all the rocks that are on the road. 1 chip, 2 chips, not so much, but 1 week without PPF, you're looking at almost $1,000 worth of damage to your paint. Our film is from LuxGuard. It's 8 mils thick. We can also get 10 mils thick. It is gonna stop rocks that are flying over 100 miles an hour at your car. The next big thing is increase of gloss. You can tell already the increase of gloss on your vehicle, so it's going to increase the gloss. And probably the third and final biggest thing is it decreases the upkeep. So this is super, super hydrophobic, just like a ceramic coating. Water is just going to roll right off of it. Is the end of today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed, maybe learned something, or if you were in the market for PPF, it put you over the edge in terms of buying it. And if you're in Calgary, look us up, Stance Bros. We have Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, obviously, and then we have our Google with over 75 5-star reviews as well. But if you enjoyed today's video, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. We have an online store with mugs, t-shirts, sweaters, and posters. Go check that out. I'll catch you guys on the next detail.